Local addiction therapists report an increase in alcohol abuse because of the COVID pandemic. Factors such as isolation and interruption in daily routines and increased stress due to job loss or economic challenges all contribute to the increase. News 19's Lindsay Ford got some insight from local experts into the signs of abuse and the resources available to help.
Local addiction therapists say drinking becomes a problem when an individual begins to avoid healthy social obligations like spending time with friends and family. Casey Bablich, an addiction therapist at Gunderson Health System, says due to the lack of connection during the pandemic, this is a contributing factor why he's seen an increase in alcoholism in La Crosse.
The increase in tolerance, the loss of control, people may set out to have 1 or 2 drinks and they end up having 5, 6, 7, 8 drinks and becoming intoxicated when they didn't plan to.
Bablich says oftentimes alcoholics will try to hide their drinking habits because of shame.
Another big thing is that addiction, substance use, there's a lot of shame that comes along with it. People will experience a lot of shame, which will prevent them from reaching out for help and for reaching out for support. And it's important for people to know that there's nothing to be ashamed of with it. It is a very common issue and it's very treatable.
A shame that Mary Jo, a medical assistant at Clean Slate Centers, says she can relate to all too well, having battled addiction herself.
People don't need to be embarrassed or ashamed. You know, sometimes weakness comes down, oh, I'm weak if I can't handle this. And this is a disease. This isn't a moral thing. This isn't something should be stronger than this. Absolutely not. It is a disease.
Mary Jo says in her life experiences and those she's helped, she found that addiction can happen to anyone in all walks of life.
And I'm just blessed that it came to a head that I had to find other ways to cope. And that's why I reach out. That's why I stay as vocal as I can, because there are people out there who struggle. They may look great in their jobs and they may look like they have it all put together, but at home could be a whole different story.
Gunderson Health System has many resources for those dealing with addiction that include intensive outpatient care and residential treatment.
The La Crosse community has an amazing recovery community. There are so many resources out there for people to connect with other people who understand how you feel.
In La Crosse, Lindsay Ford, WXOW News 19.
And Gunderson addiction therapists say they've also noticed an increase in relapse among those who have fought addiction successfully for years. Research shows it's due to a lack of connection in many cases with their sponsors and their families.